Now we are going to implement a Java Servlet filter, customer login filter, to intercept all the requests coming to the website front-end to prevent unauthorized access to the pages that require the customer has to login, require authentication. In this overview use case diagram, you can see the customer can do several actions. And now I mark the actions in blue, in green: register, login, list books, search books, view book details, and manage shopping cart. These actions do not require the customer to login. The customer can register, login, list book, search book, view book detail, and manage shopping cart without having to login to the website. But the rest functions require authentication. Here, manage profile, view order history, place order, write a review, and log out. So to implement this